guys, it's Nikki and Watson, and we are here today to do a Stitch Fix unboxing. So obviously, I just finished watching the game here, and so I haven't had time to change, but I'm going to be doing some changing here soon. So I got my box. Those of you who have watched me before, it's been a little while, and so I have actually really been looking forward to this one. Again, this is my dog Watson. So let's get started. Let's open this up. For those of you who are not familiar with Stitch Fix, I will include a link below explaining what this is. I'm not going to go into too much more detail here, but let's jump in. Oh, one other thing I will say, just because it's worthy of mentioning, my oldest daughter did get married on Friday, and it was the most beautiful day in the most beautiful place, an outdoor wedding, barn ceremony. It was gorgeous. So congratulations to you, and we are very blessed. Okay, so let's jump right in. Oh, Watson, are you going to help me? Okay. All right, the first item looks to be this black tank top, and I did peek online, but it's been a while. This is the Breland side knot knit top in black, size small, and it has like this kind of thing that hangs down, and you tie it. So I will try that on, and we'll see if it fits. This is totally my style, so I like that. Okay, so this is a knit blazer. I don't know if you guys can see, it has the cuffs on the sleeves. They're in a gray kind of soft brushed knit material. It's black, and I don't even know what this is made out of, but I'll let you know. This is Skies Are Blue Asa knit blazer, black in a size small. So I will try that one on. I've actually wanted one of these, so hopefully that one will work. Next is, oh, okay. This is, I love this jacket. I think I'm already in love with it, and I just looked at it in real life. This is the Antelia faux leather point. Oh, I don't even know if it's Ponty or Pointy. Does anyone know? Because I've heard people say it both ways. I'm gonna look that up. In burgundy, size small. It is such a dark burgundy color, but I love it. It almost looks black. So I'm gonna try this one on, but excited about this one. Oh, okay. And once again, it's actually kind of nice out here today again in Minnesota, but this will be perfect. This is, I cannot remember what this one is called. All I know is it has the thumb holes, because that's my favorite thing. Okay, this is the 41 Hawthorne Sharon thumb hole detailed pullover in light gray. So if you can see that, it's just got the big cowl neck. It's very soft, but it's got like the thumb holes at the bottom. So I'll try that one on. It looks really pretty much exactly like what I wanted. And last, but certainly not least, shoes. Watson, shoes. Watson, wake up. Okay. Shoes? I don't even care about the shoes. Okay, look at these. These, I do not remember what they are called either, but I love them because they're gray, and I needed a pair of gray booties. The Mia Fatima Heeled Booty in gray. So it's just a basic booty with some sort of like, take two. Here is the booty. It's got some kind of like studs around it, just a little bit. So I just really like the length of this heel, so we'll see how this one works. But I like these. Just by looking at them, I like them, but now I need to make sure they fit me and are not too uncomfortable. So, so is this everything? Let's see. I think I'm missing something. 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these are all the items. So I will go do the try on, and I will come back and sit down and do the wrap up at the end, and hopefully Watson will wake up again and give me some feedback. Okay, so, all right. Well, I'll show you this top. So this is the tank top. So it comes like this. I mean, you could wear it like this weird angle. Again, I think some of you have probably seen this one already. So I've seen it a lot in the gray color. I actually hadn't seen it in the black color before. So I kind of like this. So I guess I have to kind of mess around with the tank top, but I think I kind of like it. Like, here's something that I know this I could wear with pretty much anything in my closet. It looks, when I'm in my closet, I just grab things that I think possibly would work with it. So I'm thinking that there's some other options too. But what do you guys think? Well, I like this. I think this is such a cute top. Okay, I have to probably do a halter bra in the back. But yeah, so it's just a basic kind of tank top knit with this little tie. So I like this one. All right, next. Okay, so that was easy enough. I just put this blazer on over a white t-shirt. And again, the cuffs are, you know, sewn like this. So it's a 3/4 sleeve blazer. It's very soft. It's comfortable. I don't know if you guys can see the kind of material it's made out of, and how it looks in the back. Very comfortable. I mean, I always myself like to have a little button, and I know it's probably old-fashioned, but I just don't always love my blazers hanging open. But this one is pretty comfortable, and I think I like it. What do you guys think? What do you think about the size? Is this how it's supposed to fit? I think so. I don't think I'd want it much smaller. But anyway, I think this is actually a great piece. This will be something I can use, again, kind of like the black tank top with pretty much anything. So maybe I'll try it on with something else quick before I do my next try-on. Okay, so all I did was change my pants and my shoes. So you see how you can get just a very quick change with minimal. I mean, like I said, I have probably 10 pairs of pants in my closet that will work with this, and just so many different color combinations that you could wear. So I just kind of wanted to show that. So again, very versatile piece. I like how it fits, super comfortable. This one is definitely a keeper. Try on that. Okay, here is the moto jacket. And of course, as always, I love it. Again, this is one of those sort of mixed material. Watson is right here. Thanks, Watsy. What? He yelled at me. Okay, so you're in front of my camera. Okay, where was I? So it's this mixed material again. So you've got kind of like the knit underneath and on the sides. So you give that ability to move comfortably, and so mad. Anyway, and again, this color is so dark that even in the sunlight, I don't know, it looks almost black, sometimes almost a brownish black. It's kind of cool. So I really like it. And again, it is, so I have it on over this long white t-shirt. So obviously, I mean, you can wear a long shirt under it. I know it looks kind of strange right now, but I have other options. And then you could just wear it open like this. And it's, again, it's basically like the blazer, although this is long sleeve, but it's not that much warmer. So any of these moto jackets are pretty lightweight, so it really is perfect, a perfect option for fall. And that is why I love these coats so much. So let me know your opinion on this one again, but again, it's a little short, I see, and it looks kind of silly with the shirt. But let me know what you think. Okay, I've got the last two items. So first, let's talk about the boots. These are whatever, Mia, some kind of booty, and they're gray with these sort of silver sparkles, whatever these are called. I don't like sparkles. I guess they're kind of studs, but they're like a brighter stud, if you follow what I'm saying. But anyway, I really like these. They're actually pretty comfortable. I like the height on them, and yeah, pretty sure I'm gonna keep these too. So I would actually like a pair of these in brown. Okay, at any rate, this is a sweater which fits pretty much exactly as I wanted it to. So it has these really cute thumb holes. You can see this is like a little bit of a more fitted sleeve down at the bottom here. So you can obviously roll this up if you want to. And then it's just this cowl neck, so You just mess around with that. Super comfortable. I like the way it fits. It is long enough that you could wear it with leggings, I think, although I probably would just mostly wear it with jeans. What else? Oh, there is, I don't know if you guys can see it, there is kind of a small, I cannot see it right now in the sunshine, but there's like a small snag, maybe it's like right there, that I noticed right when I put it on, but I'm going to see if I can fix that or work with Stitch Fix, because I really do love this sweater. So again, let me know your feedback, but just showing you, this is how this sweater fits. Super cozy and comfortable, and I will definitely get a lot of use out of this one. So I will be back to wrap up. And okay guys, so I've done the try on. You saw that I pretty much loved everything, but I still love your feedback. As I've said before, I'm trying to slow down a little bit on these, especially as some of the things that have happened lately in our house. But I want to say once again that Stitch Fix makes me happy. It brings joy into my life. I love getting a box of clothes. Even if they don't always work on me, I still absolutely love it. So I'm so thankful for this service. All right, so here we go. Start with the first one that I actually have on. This is the backwards. This is the Market and Spruce Vreeland side knot knit top in black. This one is $44. I really like it. I have to play with this knot a little bit to get it right, but I do like this shirt. So it's a little spendy maybe for what it is, but hopefully it's good quality. And then the next thing is the blazer, the the Skies Are Blue Asa knit blazer. Again, it's just kind of like that really lightweight polyester blend material, I believe it is. I'll have to look and see what that is. But at any rate, I really like this one. It's lightweight. It's structured enough to have a little bit of a dressier style to it without being overly structured. So I can easily dress this up or down. So I'm totally keeping this one. And that one, did I say, was $68. The next one is the faux leather jacket in burgundy, again by Mark New York. This one is $88. It's super lightweight, so don't think that this is going to give you a ton of warmth, but it is most definitely cool, and I love it, so I'm keeping it. But yeah, maybe slightly spendy for that one, but worth it, I think. Okay, the next one is the booties. These are the, I don't know if it's Fatima, I think, heeled booty in gray. These are $69. I like these. They are actually pretty comfortable, and because I don't have a gray pair that I love, I'm probably going to keep them. So yeah, that's what's happening with these. And last but not least, the 41 Hawthorne Sharon Thumb Hole detail pullover, okay, in light gray. This one is spendy, $78. So I'm definitely going to check and see what we can do about that snag in the front for that price, but super comfortable, and I feel like this is something I'm also going to get a ton of use out of. So very likely I'm keeping that, but once again, would really appreciate your feedback on everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I just want to say I know everyone out there is fighting their own individual battle right now. So I just want to send encouragement and prayers out to anyone and everyone, and thank you guys for watching. If you've not already subscribed, please do so now. I am once again sorry for Watson's lack of participation in these videos. I'm starting to feel like we might just need to say it's just Nikki video, because some people aren't really involved anymore. I got just a little bit of eyebrow raise there. Okay, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much.